overnight. Oh, oh, think design. Oh, gather the materials and create according to yourself. Yay, ho, DIY minute. Oh, design randomly according to yourself. Small ideas are fine, big ideas are fine, biggies are fine, big ideas. Yay, ho, DIY. But wait a minute, what is this? Oh no, water spill on the painting, water spill on it, try it in lighter, I'm trying to make it shining. The paint smashed, marbling formed, in one night.